Hi, Rosemarie Gregg again, Friday, March 27th. This is part 2 of the intermediate and advanced video. So we're going to take our places on our mat. We just finished with our one leg circle, so now we're going to go into our hundreds. So we're going to lie down, we're going to bring the right leg to tabletop, left leg to tabletop. We're going to take an exhale, flex the upper body forward, and let's proceed. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, legs out. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 50. 60. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. 90. 100. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's fold those legs tabletop, reach that upper body forward, lower the upper body, and bring the feet to the mat, toe ball heel. Okay, let's pull ourselves up. Let's get in position for our boomerang. So we're going to start with our ankles crossed, forward flex, hands by the body. We're going to roll back, exhale, open the legs, close the legs, push to the teaser position. And again. Two more. And last one. And place the hands down. And stack the spine nice and tall. Okay, from here we're going to go into our roll up. So we're going to lie down, hands overhead, feet flexed. Arms come up, we pull up and reach for those feet. We stretch, we roll back, we lift the arms, and we proceed to go down. And circle the arms by the body. And I should have mentioned this, but because this is more of an advanced video, I didn't. But in case some of you that are more beginners are trying this one, if you have a hard time getting up, use your weights because you don't want to jerk. This will help to get you up off the floor. So you'll bring your arms to the ceiling. Inhale, exhale. You'll reach those weights for the feet. Do the same thing. And keep your low back safe. So keep your arms here till your low back touches. Then bring your arms overhead. You don't want to lift your arms like this with a flex spine if you're a beginner, because that will put a lot of pressure on your lumbar spine. So you don't want to do that. Okay, so from here, we're going to now do what's called the side kick kneeling. So we're going to kneel on that left knee. Right hand's going to be behind the head like this. We're going to be stretched out. We're going to lift that right leg up and kick it forward. Last one. And then slowly fold down. Bring the hand to the hip. Let's flip the legs to the opposite side. Okay, and let's kneel on that right knee. Let's extend that left leg out straight. Hand on the forehead. Flip the leg up, kick it forward. Last one. And slowly fold down. Okay, from here, we're gonna do some side bends. So we're gonna get on our right knee like this. And for this one, I would recommend taking your socks off so that you have better gripping power, because the socks might slide a little bit on the mat. So fold your right knee down, your left ankle in front, and you want to have your hand positioned so it's fairly under your shoulder. And then exhale, we're just going to go to the side and inhale down. 3 like that. And 1 more. Okay, now for this one, we're going to extend the legs out, nice and long, hand by the body. And we're going to come up on that inhale. And exhale, just set the hips down. And 1 more. And I was trying to do those in slow motion, and let's flip the legs to the other side. Okay? Hand on the knee. Let's exhale. Inhale. And 1 more. Slide the legs out for the full side bend. And here we go. Inhale up. And last one. Okay, now from here, we're going to grab our fitness circle and we're going to do some sideline leg work. Okay, so we're going to put the right ankle onto the handle of the circle. We're going to stretch that right leg out nice and long. We're going to put the left ankle on the top handle. We're going to stretch that body out nice and long. And for the big exhale, we're going to push that top leg down, try and connect those inner thighs, and inhale, release. So this is an abductor exercise to work the inner thighs. You want to really engage the abs on that exhale when you press that circle down. Really try to touch the top of the inner thighs together. Let's do 3 more. And 2. Last one. Now push the circle down, bring the bottom leg up, connect the 2, and then lower down. So you're going to exhale, push and lift, inhale, release. Last one. Now put that right foot inside the circle. Let's lift both legs up off the mat and magician circles. Then both legs up off the mat and slowly lower down. Now let's flip sides, feet to the opposite side. And let's put that left ankle in the handle of the circle and the right ankle on the top. Let's stretch that body out in that toaster slot. Then exhale, push down, inhale, release. Okay, now push down, bottom leg comes up, and then release. So exhale, inhale. Okay, top ankle in the handle. Let's lift both legs up and magician circles. Both legs up, and then slowly we lower down. Okay, now let's pick our weights up and let's do a little bit of arm work here. Okay, so you can use your cans of soup You can use your blue toning balls, or you can use hand weights similar to the ones that I'm using right now. All right, so we're gonna start with the hammer. So we're just gonna bring the weights to the thighs and then bring the weights up to the shoulder. Just exhale as you lift the weights. Okay, now shoulder hammer. Let's bring them up like this. Now bicep curls, palms up. Okay, bicep curls this way. Now triceps. Now keep the weights connected, triceps, and throw forward. Inhale, exhale. Try to get the elbows pointing right up to the ceiling. And bring those arms slowly down. Now let's exhale, roll down, and put those weights on the floor. And slowly roll up out of flexion. And then circle those arms around to the side. Okay, now let's pick up our stretchy band and let's do a little bit of lateral flexion. So let's stand on our band with both feet slightly apart. You're going to bring your hands down to the ends of the band. Okay, you're going to take that left arm up. Inhale, and then exhale, you're going to lean to the side. And it's important to keep the band right next to your armpit so that it doesn't make a flapping noise and hit you in the face or do anything strange. So you just want to lean to the side. Pull the arm up and then laterally flex. And let's do one more each side. And last one. And then bring the arms down and let's set the band off to the side. And let's do some stretching with our ball. So let's sit with our legs apart. And we're going to fold the right leg in front like this and the left leg straight out like this. Okay, so we're going to do it like this. So let's roll that ball forward. And then slowly roll it in. You can either sit with your leg like that or like this, whichever's more comfortable. For me, this is more comfortable, so it might be for some of you others, so I thought I would point that out. So let's just push that ball out to the front, and then exhale, roll it back in. Now let's roll it down the inside of that left thigh, and then roll it back in. Now put your right hand on that ball, left arm comes up, and then laterally flex that torso. Sit tall, inhale, bring the arm down. Now let's switch legs. Right leg nice and long, left leg folded behind like this, or like this, however's easier for you to sit. Okay, now let's keep that right knee nice and tight, quad nice and tight, and roll that ball out. And then roll it back in. Roll it down the inside of that right thigh. And then roll it back in. Left arm up, and laterally flex that torso, sit tall, bring the arm down. Now let's take both legs out straight, ball in the lap, point the toes, and exhale. Let's reach that ball for the toes, bring the chest down to the thighs, and then exhale, slowly roll up. Let's do one more just like that. Exhale, out we go. And exhale in. Okay, now let's sit with our legs crossed. Put the ball inside your ankles. And I just want you to inhale, push down on the ball and arch your back. And then exhale, round forward. And again, inhale, push down, extend the spine. Exhale, flex the spine. And inhale, stack tall, and one more. Round forward. And stack tall. And that will conclude part 2 of the MAP Intermediate Advanced workout.